If there is no Wi-Fi connection in your phone, but all other devices are connected to the internet, then let us see what to do. The first thing I would suggest you is to update the software in your Samsung phone if it is available. So go to settings here, go to software update, select check for updates. Now for me the software is up to date. For you, if there is an update available, you need to update it. There might be an issue with the current software that will be fixed when you update your phone. The next thing is you have to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings in your phone. Go to settings here, go to general management, go to reset. Select the option reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Select reset settings. But you have to know, once you reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, you have to again re-enter the password of the Wi-Fi and all the Bluetooth devices will be disconnected. You have to reconnect them again. The third thing that I will do is I will turn off private DNS settings. Go to settings here, connections, go to more connection settings, go to private DNS. So what I would suggest you is to select off and then save. The fourth thing that I would suggest you to do is to forget the Wi-Fi network and again reconnect. Go to settings here, go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, tap on this gear icon here, select forget. Once you forget it, the Wi-Fi network will be disconnected and again you have to enter the password of the Wi-Fi network to connect it to again. The other thing I would suggest you is to connect to the phone's MAC address instead of random. So go to settings here, go to connections, Wi-Fi, select the gear icon, go to view more, and here there is an option MAC address type. Right now it is random, so select phone MAC address. And also in the same settings here, if you have selected DHCP as your IP settings, go inside it and select static. Once you do it, you have to enter 8.8.8.8 as primary DNS, and for secondary DNS you have to use 8.8.4.4. so this is Google DNS. So once you have done this much, restart the phone and hopefully this time your phone also will be connected to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.